Here you go, nice bit of steak, right? Take the fat off. Put it at the bottom of the pan, all the bits of fat. Cut the fat off. Put them in the pan. They will render down. Make you the best oil. And they'll make you nice little chicken nuggets. And you get some plenty of oil out of them. And when you see the fat bubbling on the top, you know it's rendering out lovely. And they will be the best little beef scratchings you've ever tasted. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take those little nuggets out. Put one piece of cloth, take them out. Crispy. Don't wait their fire alarm going off. That's alright. We're going to reverse cook this steak. I know people put it in the pan, get some colour on it. We're going to do the opposite way round. So what we're going to do is we're going to some of your cheap rump steak. That's £4, but it is a big steak for that. About £4. We're going to slow cook it first. Slow cook it. And then we'll put some colour in after it's cooked. With them little nuggets there. Crispy. Beef. Oh, beautiful. Next stage in a bit. Keep it bubbling in some water. Get your probe. Now, to make sure that the steak is cooked, medium, put your probe in, it's got to be above 70. Nowhere near it. Nowhere near it. That steak's nowhere near cooked. So leave it in. Leave it in. Add a bit more water. And leave it there. Now the steak's been boiling for about half an hour. We'll check it again to see if it's cooked inside. Yeah, probably near enough. I'll turn it over.
There's no need to make it quite so obvious. So nice. I just wish you told us about complications, that's all. What complication? That's that is not.
Probe it again. In the thickest bit.
Hello?
Yeah.
Right. What?
That's cooked.
Everything. Made it easy for
But whatever you do not throw that water away you cooked your steak in. Oh no, no. Get it into a pot.
And that meant the family could arrange a much more personal service separate to the cremation.
That is good.
Because that will make
We should.
fantastic stock for your Sunday dinner.
Now how's that suit?
So, what you do now, get your pan nice and hot again,
Everyone in red.
reverse steak, chuck in a bit of butter, no lurpak, no lurpak shit, it's not butter, butter. Get that melted. Oh, and then put the air fryer on because
After every fall, what do you do?
need a few chips for your steak. I can find out how to work it. There you go. Get your air fryer on, get some chips in. Got no chips. Butter melted.
2 days of epic deals. They'll make you feel like a big deal.
You need these good old frying pans.
Deals on electric,
The older the better.
kitchen and more. Amazon Prime Big Deal Day at
Get about a nice knot.
exclusively for Prime members.
Butter's melted. Hot is shaking. So when you get your colour on it, you know it's close. Little juice on the chopping board. Put that in. This when you get colour in your steak now. Oh, no, it's cooked. Don't stay long. Best cheap steak you'll ever have. And finally, just blend it with the butter.